Hello aspirants, first of all I would like to congratulate each and everyone for achieving a significant milestone, receiving the call for the interview phase. As you prepare to face the interview panel, remember that you have already proven your mettle. This interview is an opportunity to express or show the depth of your understanding, your passion for public services, and the unique quality that set you apart. Remember, this is not just a test, it is a chance for you to enhance your knowledge and strengthen your skills. Now I am going to share three things to keep in mind. First, approach this mock interview with a positive mindset. Take each question as an opportunity and make it a goal to answer every single question. Even if a question seems challenging, take a moment to think about it. Second, pay close attention to the question as it allows you to understand the essence of each question. Make notes if necessary and use the information provided by me to craft a well-structured and comprehensive answer. And the third, try to relate your answer to broader concepts within the subject. This not only reflects your depth of knowledge but also shows your ability to make connection and see the things in bigger picture. And in last, stay calm and composed throughout the interview. If you come across a challenging question, take a deep breath and approach it methodically. Your ability to stay calm under pressure is valuable skills that the interviewer are likely observing. Note down where you feel you need improvement, it in a point, topic wise, and practice or revise after the session. Remember, this is your chance not to only test your knowledge but also to refine your interview skills. Approach it with confidence, enthusiasm, and don't forget to watch another video. So let's begin. Take the first question. And when questions comes in front of you, simply pause the video, try to answer yourself, and then match your answer with my answer. In that way, your confidence boosts up gradually. How can anthropologists collaborate with communities to document and preserve cultural practices during periods of migration and settlement? You have to answer that, sir. Through conducting ethnographic research to record oral histories, documenting materials culture, and engaging with communities number to understand the significance of cultural practices in the context of migration experiences. By documenting and preserving cultural practices, anthropologists contribute to the conservation of cultural diversity and the promotion of intellectual dialogue and understanding. Take another question. What ecological changes contribute to the evolution of bipedalism in early hominians? So, in order to answer this question, you have to answer in that way. Sir, ecological changes such as habitat fragmentation, resource availability, and competition for food resource contributes to the evolution of bipedalism in early hominians. Bipedalism may have provided advantage for foraging, tool use, and energy efficiency. Again, they puts another question: how does the development of bipedalism impact locomotion, tool use, and socio behavior in human ancestors? You have to answer this question in that way, sir. Sir, bipedalism allowed human ancestors for efficient long distance travel, freeing up their hands, and therefore they starts using their hands for tool manipulation and manufacturing and carrying objects, and may have facilitate cooperative behaviors and social interactions. Take the another question. How can experimental studies and biomechanical analysis contribute to a better understanding of the advantages and challenges associated with bipedalism? So you have to answer this question, and in this answer you need to at least share following points. Sir, by studying the locomotor behavior of extant bipedal primates and reconstructing the biomechanics of early hominian skeletons, researcher can gain insight into the evolutionary pressure that drove the adaptation of bipedalism and its implication for human evolution. And this knowledge enhances our understanding of early hominians, their ecology, behavior, and adaptation to changing environment. Take another question. Question is, how does climate change influence the distribution and adaptation of primate species? Suppose this question asked to you and they want to know about the migration of human being across the globe. They want to know, so you have to understand that because climate change alters primate habitat by affecting temperature, precipitation, precipitation pattern or rainfall pattern, vegetation covers, and food availability. These changes influence the distribution and adaptation of primate species, leading to shift in their range, behavior, and population dynamics. Take another questions. So board continuously asking the question, and you have to answer every questions without taking any tension. Simply listen their questions, compose your answer, and share with your answer. Share your answer with the board. Other questions may they ask again, what are the implications of primate evolution, behavior and conservations? What are the implications of primate evolutions, behaviors and conservation? In order to answer this question, you have to answer in that way. Sir, it may result in habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation, threatening primate population with extinction and disrupting ecological interaction and ecosystem functions. Simply answer in that way. Take another questions. What strategies can be employed to mitigate the impact of climate change? So, because they want to know impact of climate change on human population, so you have to answer in that way. Sir, through habitat restoration and conservation initiatives, promoting sustainable land management practices, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and establishing protected area and corridor to facilitate species migration and adaptations. And we can also, sir, take some more initiatives like the community-based conservation program that involve local stakeholders in decision making, and resource management can enhance the resilience of primate habitat and foster coexistence between human and wildlife. Take another questions. What factors contribute to the emergence and spread of zoonotic disease from non-human primate to human? So you have to answer, sir. The emergence and spread of zoonotic disease from non-human primate to human are influenced by factors such as habitat encroachment, human-animal interaction, wildlife trades, and climate change. And this factor creates opportunities for pathogens to jump species barrier and adapt to new host. So may they connect this question with the spread of COVID-19 or other viruses. If not, if they ask a question like, how do these diseases impact human population, and what role does human animal interaction play in their transmission? You have to say, sir, zoonotic disease impact human population by causing illness, mortality, and socioeconomic disruptions. They pose significant public health threat and may lead to epidemic what we faced in the COVID-19 or COVID-19 pandemic. And if we not control them or develop some immediate corrective measures, definitely we can suffer at mass level. Like other questions, What measures can be implemented to prevent and control the spread of zoonotic diseases, considering both human and animal welfare? So you have to answer this question. So to prevent and control, we enhance surveillance system to monitor disease outbreak. What we practice during COVID-19, promoting responsible wildlife management practices, regulating wildlife trades, implementing biosecurity measures in animals, markets and farms, and educating communities on safe interaction with wildlife. So one health approach that integrates human, animals, and environmental health consideration can facilitate interdisciplinary collaboration and coordination response to zoonotic disease threat. Take another question. What they actually ask, what they want to know. Okay, what are the intention behind asking that question? Simply, if you are hitting through your answer on that, they give you uh, outstanding marks. But if you will not answer confidently, definitely they think about you have the idea, you have the knowledge, but there are some problem in decision making. So always answer boldly with full confidence by maintaining eye contact. So these are the some measures you have to maintain throughout your answering or interview sessions. Take another question.